Welcome back to my channel. So today we're making bacon, mushroom, Swiss butter burgers in a cast iron skillet. I've already got the hamburgers, the patties made out. I got the mushrooms chopped up. I got the bacon chopped up, and we're gonna use Swiss cheese slices. So check it out. If you do me a favor real quick, go ahead and like this video. Click the little thumbs up button right down here. Subscribe to my channel and click the little bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. And please, leave me a comment if you like this. I'll try and get back to you as quick as I can. So, as I mentioned, I got the hamburger patties made up already. I have the mushrooms diced and the bacon diced. We are going to season the hamburger with a little bit of Lawrys Seasoning Salt and some garlic powder. Actually, look at that, Lawrys garlic powder. And as I mentioned, we're going to put baby Swiss cheese on these today. We're cooking them in a cast iron skillet. So we're going to start out. We're going to go ahead and get the hamburgers on. I'm going to put the hamburgers in the cast iron skillet with a little bit of butter and some olive oil. Okay, so I got the butter melted in the pan. I'm going to go ahead and put the hamburgers in here. Got these patties in here. Whoa, these are pretty big. I don't know if they'll all fit. Might have to do these in a couple rounds. So we're going to get 3 of them in here. And as I said, we're going to season these with a little garlic powder, a little bit of seasoned salt, Lawrys Seasoning Salt, and since the butter's in here, I always like to put a little olive oil. Olive oil goes good with stuff. And just that little bit extra. So we got some olive oil in there. Good. And I also have another pan. I'm going to cook the mushrooms down separately. So I'm going to get the mushrooms in the butter melting. Those will take a few minutes to cook down. So both of these are on about medium heat. Actually, the mushrooms are on low heat. I'm going to put just a little bit of seasoned salt in them just so they got a little flavor cooking down. That way it cooks into them. But burgers are going to take 5 or 10 minutes. I'm going to take the butter here, and I got to get a spoon, but I'm basically going to baste the hamburgers with the butter and olive oil sauce while they're cooking. So we're going to let them cook down. And alrighty, this is how we're basting the burgers here. Kind of tip the pan a little bit, get some of that butter pulled up on one side. It all comes back to the other side here. So you just want to make sure you get some butter all the way over those burgers. Because butter makes everything better. We'll cook for a few minutes and flip them and keep basting them. So every couple of minutes you want to baste some butter over the top. Okay, so the mushrooms have been on for 3-4 minutes. I just added the bacon. We're going to kind of stir these in. You can see the mushrooms are cooking down nice. We didn't have to cook these a whole lot. The bacon was pre-cooked and crumbled. So we just want to get this nice and warm all the way through. So that's good there. Like I said, the burgers have been on for about 3 minutes. I don't want to splash here, so try and get these flipped. Whoa. I want them slapping down in the pan. They splash easy when they. So again, basting. All right, we're going to keep basting them. Now, normally what I do with the buns is put some butter on the bun, a little bit of garlic powder, and grill those up nice. But I'm going to do these keto style tonight, so we're not making any buns. So we're going to put the cheese on just a couple minutes, melt the cheese real good, and then put the mushroom and bacon right over the top. Just eat them that way. So these have been on about 5 minutes, maybe 6. I'm going to get the cheese on here. And they're about done. So I'm going to baste them real quick. Just one more base of butter. Get it over the cheese. Get a little bit of butter flavor on there too. As soon as the cheese melts, we're going to take them off here. Put them on a plate. And look at this mushroom bacon sauce here. That looks tasty. So we'll get them on a plate here. Pile that sauce on and give them a taste, see how they go. Okay, I got the burgers off the grill onto the plate. The bacon mushroom sauce is done. And you can top these however you like, but this is the way I like to do them. I like a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of mayo, maybe a lot of mayo. And I like to top these right here like this. And this warm mushroom sauce melts that mayo a little bit. And you get a little bit of that butter drizzling over there. Alright. So, let me get a fork and we'll try these out. Okay, I got my fork. Hopefully these are cooled down enough. I don't know. You see that buttery sauce right there? Mmm. That's pretty tasty right there. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope yours turned out as good as mine. We'll see you next time.